Hey Art Maniacs, let's get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Daphne from Scooby-Doo. Okay, here we go. So to start with, we're gonna have her head here and then her body's gonna come down and back. All right, so to start with, we're gonna start with the hair, Daphne's hair. So we're gonna start with a headband, which is just like a little, it looks like a little knife almost. It's kind of, all right, then we're gonna come around here for her bangs, and we're gonna do some zigzagging and then a nice curvy line back like that, and that's the front. And then we're gonna do the side of her hair, which is just like a letter M kind of on its side. Okay, then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the other side of her hair, which is just like a curvy line. And then we've got like some shoulder here that I will finish later. And then the hair continues up, goes down, comes back around. And then we've got nice volume on the back of the crown because Daphne's so fashionable. All right, so now we're gonna put the face in. So for the face, it's gonna start over here, it's gonna come down, and then it's gonna make a V, come down, and then come around, and it just matches up with the hair. All right, then for the eyes, we're gonna start here, we're gonna come down, back, forth, like that. So it's kind of like an S. All right, then she's got one of her eyes kind of hidden right here behind her nose, and then it kind of comes up like so. And then she's got like an eyebrow up here. There we go. Then she has a little for the other side of her nose. And then we have like another little S that goes on the other side. A little eyebrow that comes above. And she's looking off to the side here, like that. And there's a little line under. Okay, then for her lips, we're gonna do the bottom lip first. It's just gonna come down and back around like that. And then for the other lip, it's gonna come up, go down, come up, and go back. And then it's got like a little line here. And then this is dark inside. All right, so there's her face, and we've got like a little neckline right here. And then she's got a scarf, so that's gonna come out, come down, back, come up, and there's a little accent line there. And then she's got another scarf line that comes down, back up, and in, like so. And then we've got another part of the scarf that just V's down like that and comes across like that. Perfect. Okay, then for her waist, it's gonna come kind of this line of her head right here, and it's gonna come down, and then we're gonna drop down about a finger width or so, and we're just gonna draw a line going diagonal like that. And then we're gonna draw a line coming across, down, back up. And then we're gonna draw another line coming down like so. Go, and that's gonna be where her skirt is. And then we've got a line out a ways that comes down and then curves back in, and a line like that, and maybe a little line like that, and that's her hand. Okay, so it's kind of abstract. Then her wrist comes back, and we've got her arm, which I'm drawing the inside part of it first, and then it comes back out and matches up with her shoulder right there. You guys are doing great. And then right here underneath her scarf, it comes down and then comes out and then comes back down and around. And then she's got some stripes in her skirt. And then she has her other arm coming up and coming back down because she's so glam. And then it comes up like so. And then she's got a few fingers here. All right, all right, all right, like that. And then this comes back out, comes back down. And then it's got kind of a little bump on it for her shoulder. I think her hair, yeah, we'll just put her hair like that. And then she's got, and it's foreshortened. So it's definitely shorter looking than her other arm, but it comes back around. All right. So now for the legs. So she's got a leg coming out like so. And then the knee goes a little bit longer and then kicks back over. And we've got a little calf. And then this line just kind of comes straight down, bumps out. We've got a little calf there. And that's about all you're gonna see of Daphne. All right, and then we're just gonna put her outside. Here we go. All right, and then I think I'll put some ghosts on this one too. Ooh, watch out, Daphne. Oh, where's the mystery machine? Oh. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.